accidentally charged a customer the wrong amount, or dealing with a fraudulent transaction. This video will show you how to delete or refund transactions within Stripe. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. Then, on the left-hand side menu, click on Payments to view all your transactions. Now, find the transaction you want to address. You can use the search bar to quickly locate it by customer name, email, or transaction ID. Click on the transaction to open its details. In the transaction details, you'll see options to either refund or, in some limited cases, void the payment if the transaction has already settled. You'll need to issue a refund. Click the refund button. A pop-up window will appear with refund options. You can choose a full or partial refund. If issuing a partial refund, enter the specific amount you want to return to the customer. You can also add a reason for the refund, which can be helpful for your records and for the customer. Double-check all the details and then click Refund to confirm. Stripe will automatically process the refund and update the transaction status. Remember, deleting a transaction is only possible in very specific circumstances, if for settlement. So refunds are the most common way to resolve incorrect charges. Finally, it's crucial to keep accurate records of all refunds and adjustments for accounting and compliance purposes. That's all there is to it. Now you can confidently manage your Stripe transactions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Stripe tutorials.